Woohoo! Oh man, I am riding motorcycle in Vietnam! How cool is this? Despite the fact it's 38 degrees, this is cool as crap. The locals don't use indicators around here. Indicators are definitely optional. This is insane. I'm sure I'll get used to it after a while, but right now I'm quietly shitting bricks. Oh, I'm glad I've got bikes and drones to follow, because I don't have a clue how any of these road systems work. I had enough trouble just trying to cross the road in Ho Chi Minh City. At least up here traffic's not quite as bad. There you go, roadworks Vietnamese style. You haven't got half a dozen men standing around while the machine does the work like you do in Australia. You got half a dozen men actually doing the work. Oh shit, a left-hand turn. So far all we've done is right-hand turns. Oh, that was an easy one. I couldn't have done that in Ho Chi Minh City. Not on your life. Well, the road just ran out. Within the first few minutes of riding in Vietnam, I'm riding in dirt already. The rains are coming. The rains are coming. Tell you what, I'm glad this bike is loud, because that lets a lot of other people know that I'm out around. You going, boss? Jesus, I'm sure I'm going to get used to that. But right now it's like, holy shit, every time someone comes across in front of yourself or another vehicle.
Such thing as rules here, so just suggestions.
Fuck me. Didn't know we were going to be doing this sort of shit. Fuck me! Oh, this is intense. Scooter boy on his phone. Thank you. Ah, well that is cool. We now have brand new sprockets on the bike. Some new oil, ready to go adventuring. Shit. So yeah, you just gotta go. I'll stop for you. It's like this dude. You just gotta go. So normal everyday riding here is like riding on a massive group ride in Australia, where you're always going at a slower pace and you're constantly looking in your mirrors to see where all the bikes are around you. Oh, not another left turn. Oh, thank God for that. Jesus. Fuck me.
Welcome to the chaos.
That was insane.
Oh, but wait, there's more. This roundabout's incredible.
Oh no. Oh no, we've come right into the centre of town. Look at the size of this intersection. What do I do? What do I do? Fuck me. Shit. you do it. We've got a bigger bike than you. I'm using Greg as my barrier. Do as you want, love. I was glad of you just blocking the way for me, and I just went, yep, I'm going. If you're there, I'm safe to go because they're going to hit you first.
How do you like that for wires, huh?
Is there electricity going through that?
Not sure. I think they might be phone line.
Ah, phone lines running through the water.
Yeah.
Minnie Mouse. First day of riding here in Vietnam, and I'm riding in the dark. Just felt a raindrop starting to rain. Oh, I know where we are. There's picnic gas. Got gas bottles on the back of the bike. Gas bottle deliveries on motorcycle. Oh shit, is that big roundabout again. This is insane. There's another word you're going to hear from me a lot on this trip, I think. Insane. Other words you're going to hear a lot are holy fuck, shit, holy shit, oh my god. Maybe even a few holy shit balls every now and then.
Where'd they go?
I have no idea.
This is where we're meant to be going.
When in Rome.
Welcome to Vietnam.
Oh, Rossi. I thought that was going to be a head-on then. I can't stop smiling and laughing. This is just insane. So much fun. Okay, so just checking. Drinking beers and then riding a strange motorcycle through a foreign country at night time is a good idea, right? Oh, that's okay then. Thank you. Success! I have ended the day on 2 wheels in a foreign country alive. We made it. Thanks for watching, guys. That was an entertaining video to make. Hopefully you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed it. That was bloody awesome. Holy crap, look at the dragon. Oh, the excitement. You couldn't do this in Australia. How cool is this?